So, if you're into XDC, this video may or may not interest you. However, it is a video that you should continue to watch because I am going to go over the price potential of XDC and how to actually calculate this asset price based on the amount of value it will be moving. Now, XDC is supposed to move a value amounting to about $500 trillion. I'm not going to do the math based on that because it would scare a lot of people out there. So I will just do the math based on moving value amounting to $1 trillion. A quick thought. I have seen people talking about owning these type of digital assets like XDC and wondering if holding 50,000 of assets like XDC is enough. The question was asked to another YouTuber's channel that I view from time to time, and I'm not here to tell you that holding, 50,000 is a little bit. I'm actually going to tell you that holding 50,000 is honestly a little too much. I say this because if you truly understood what you were holding, you would not have to ask that question. You would already understand that 50,000 is going to satisfy your every need and want possible in life. You're going to also understand that your wealth is going to be an enormous size holding 50,000 of an asset like this. And most importantly, if you really understood what you are holding, you would really be very, very, very scared to even hold that much because the fucking headache you're going to have trying to figure out how to manage all of that money is going to be very crazy for you. That's all I'm going to say about that. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a truth teller. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Let's get to the intro. Drop the beat. Let's take a look at what XDC does as a company. So, the XDC network is an enterprise-grade open source blockchain protocol, an EVM-compatible chain with smart contract capabilities. It is uniquely suited to revolutionize, decentralize, and liquefy the trade finance industry through the tokenization of real-world assets and financial instruments. Also, on the XDC network, we have enterprise. I guess this is like, I'm not too sure what it is, but let's read this right quick. It's under enterprise, the XDC network is a groundbreaking blockchain with impressive speed, scalability, low fees, and military-grade security. Using XDC network, businesses can improve their record keeping, exchange data, and transfer assets more efficiently and more securely. Okay. You also have trade finance, and you have a couple of other things like developers and creators. You have powered by XDC. So you have these different projects that's powered by XDC. So you can, take a look here, and you can also visit the website is xdc.org. You can visit there and you can find out more information on this for yourself. I'm not going to go through all of this. Let's take a look at the market cap and the coin supply of XDC. Right, so we're on coin market cap, and here you see that it shows, the market is down today. of course, if you see the chart there. But we're showing that the circulating supply is 14 billion plus. The total supply is 37 billion plus. And the fully diluted market cap is $1 billion plus, right? The market cap is 498 million, which is not a lot, right? That's not a lot. It's a little bit. The coin right now is priced at 0.3343. That's 3 cents basically. A little, it's a little below 4 cents. But that's that when you're looking at this. Now that's out of the way, let's get to what you came here for. The price, the money, the dollars, how to calculate this stuff. Based on the amount of XDC, if you were going to move $1 trillion on the blockchain, the coin is going to have to be about $30,000 per XDC. Now, you may be asking where I got that number. Well, it is very simple. If XRP has to be $10,000 per coin to move $1 trillion, and XDC has basically a third of the supply of XRP, then in simple common sense fashion, it would be safe to say that the XDC price has to be 3 times higher in price of XRP to move $1 trillion in value. That should make total sense to anyone. If it doesn't, then shit. I don't know what to say to you. You're just a fucking ID10T. 30,000 per XDC to move $1 trillion of value per year for 100 years. How we do this is we take 30,000 and times it by 100, and you will get 3 million. So, in order for XDC to move $1 trillion in value every year for 100 years, it has to be $3 million per coin to do this, which makes a lot of sense. Because when you take 3 million and divide that by 1 trillion, you get 333,333.333 and so on, which the 333,333.333 is the amount of XDC that you would need to use to move $1 trillion in value every year. Please understand, these assets are not money. They're technology protocols used to move money value around the world, like sending an email to someone around the world. These assets can be used to exchange for money. They can also be held in a digital wallet as a way to justify your wealth, just as you would holding stocks in a stock market account. That's all for today. We offline.